The moon is a mysterious natural satellite in our sky. Her face is so magnificent that she was worshipped by ancient peoples, and ancient myths and legends are also connected with her, because she always inspired fear and respect in ancient people. But how did the moon come to be, or has it always been there? The moon is 4,527,000,000 years old, making it 43 million years younger than the Earth, which is 4,570,000,000 years old. The collision of a body the size of Mars with the Earth is said to be to blame, leaving a lot of matter in the Earth's orbit from which the moon was formed. Shortly after the formation of the moon, it continued to rotate around its axis for some time until it stopped. Scientists have put forward several theories about further events on its surface. One of them assumes that at that time the activity under its surface and on the surface was very high. A thin and short-lived atmosphere was created, which then escaped in about 1,000 years. 2 to 4 billion years ago, tens of thousands of volcanoes erupted on its surface, and asteroid collisions also contributed, which together created huge craters, rivers, and lakes of basalt lava. As the lava cooled, it created the dark spots that give the moon its familiar appearance. A huge number of caves and tunnels of volcanic origin are hidden under its surface, which are still active towards the core. Tunnels and cavities just below the surface, however, remain inactive and form caves of volcanic origin. Such caves are also found on Earth. A good example is the volcanic caves of São Vicente and Madeira in Portugal. Recently, a group of scientists discovered huge deep craters in the Sea of Silence with the help of lunar orbiter probe images. Like huge chasms that indicate the possible existence of a cave system. In them, future expeditions could create their bases, as the cavities would offer them protection from collisions and radiation. The moon is also co-responsible for the origin and further development of life on Earth, as it is literally a natural shield and protects the Earth from massive asteroid bombardment. The last cataclysm occurred in the period between the late Cretaceous and the early Paleogene, when the age of the dinosaurs ended. New findings by scientists have revealed that the moon is slowly moving away from the Earth due to the transfer of energy caused by the rotation and tidal bulges of the Earth. The moon moves away by 3.78 centimeters every year. Thus, in a few million years, the Earth will be left without its natural satellite. We can only imagine what will happen to Luna after that. Perhaps it will settle somewhere in the green belt between Earth and Mars. But many years will pass by then,